Dear self advocates, their parents, family members, professionals, all distinguished members and friends, on the occasion of International Day of Persons with Disabilities 2021, I extend my heartiest greetings to the people of Meghalaya. I appreciate Meghalaya government, all the disability related NGOs, COVID warriors, and all family members for their cohesive effort that made possible in containing the pandemic in the state. COVID situation has given us the opportunity to understand some of the very critical issues and sufferings of the disability sector in Indian context. India is one of the first countries to sign the mandate of United Nations Convention for Rights of Persons with Disabilities and adopted 22 types of disabilities to frame the laws at central and state level. But their aging process, higher degree of severity, and their growing population gradually making themselves completely dependent on the service of parent or family members. This is, in short, we may call it an Indian family model. They are as widely spread 24 by 7 service provider as the persons with disabilities are widely spread, whereas the institutional model cannot sustain such versatility in Indian context. I would rather like to explain with few keywords to change this perception on disability management in Indian context that shall have instant potential to reach out the entire population of disability in India with any kind of delivery of services at any given point time as below. Address family to address person, one family for one person, institutionalization to social role, valorization. The perception is based on the fact that India has the advantage in providing a strong community support structure and family support structure. There isn't a history of institutionalization of people with disabilities in India like there is in many Western countries. India is so vast country and the disability is perennially so widely spread and so deeply embedded that only family model can serve the requirement. It is high time that a reasonable shift be made from institutionalization process of disability sector to recognition of social role valorization by integrating persons with disability, parents, family members and professionals through Inclusive India initiative. The family model in India requires positive orientation, legal recognition, and effective executing power in providing services to persons with disabilities. India should avoid the mistake of the Western world of institutionalization of persons with disability and find its own affordable alteration which should be more family based and community based, flexible, natural for long term care. India is a sovereign country and based on the call of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, India must come out of its colonial mindset, structure and exercise its full right to portray the advantage at the family model to the world community for having the better alternative solution to the issues of the person with disability worldwide. That is the message needed to pass through world community from Meghalaya to International Day of Persons with Disability 2021. You have all perhaps observed how a small girl, through her yoga skill, trying to valorize all of us. We need to spread the social role more widely in our society. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, very much for your words of encouragement.